Hi everyone. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about ImageJ or Fiji's very simple but great option called stacks. When you have any sorts of tiff with the multiple slices, we can make a stack which is more like a 3D representation of some images that we have taken, whether it's in X-ray or in microscope. When you load your stack image, you can see that the number of slices in a stack. In this case there are 54 slices, and now I am at the number 11. You can also get the information regarding the resolution of the image and also the size of the image. There are a couple of options in terms of stacks to play with the stack. The first thing is if you want to slice your stack, you can slice it at different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to reslice. So basically it would be this option that is very useful for any sorts of stack image analysis. So first, to do that, the first option that we can play with is the free angle reslice that we can do. To do that, you will take the line option of the Fiji, and then you will draw a line along the way that you want to reslice your image. So in this case I am setting something like this, where it will create a new slice of image that will actually use this line as its guide. So once you draw the line, you will go to image, stacks, and then reslice. Then it would ask you what spacing in terms of micron that would you like to put. So this is some auto-generated one. You can play with it and you can see how the slice image quality looks like. You can also, if you want to flip your image, you can also flip it or rotate 90 degree. I always try to keep it avoid interpolation, because sometimes it may affect the output. So if we just say the slice number is 1 and then the output spacing, the default output spacing, and click OK, then you actually get the virtual slice that is regenerated with using this line. So that's how you can reslice your stacks. The other way, let's say if you want to slice something like this, you can just draw your line, image, stacks, and then reslice with all the default options or whatever you like. You just click it and you will have something different, like the way that you want to slice. The next option that I would like to show is slicing or cropping, in a way, the image that you would like to play with. So if you can take the rectangle option, and then let's say you want to keep this, and then if you go to the image, stack, and then reslice, then now the options have changed. As you can see, the output spacing is similar, but now it actually adds a new option where it says how to start the slice, from which angle or from which side. So if you look at the drop down menu, you can see that there are start at top, bottom, left, or right. So let's say in this case we are doing from the top, and we are keeping everything default, and then when I click OK, you would see that ImageJ will start from the top, and it will reslice the whole image using this box, and will give us a new image with the resliced image from this TIFF planner default image that we have. So as you can see, it has generated another 564 new slices, and if you go slice by slice, you can see that it actually took all the particles here, and they have created a new number of slices. But for a comparison, you can see that there are only 7 particles, and here this is like 7 particles. So this is one way to slice something and keep like whatever you want to keep from a stack of images. The other thing that I would like to show is if you go to the image and the stacks, there is one option called orthogonal views. So if you click the orthogonal views, you'd see, let me bring the screen a little bit up. So when you click the orthogonal view one, what it does, it actually creates and it adds two more new windows, and then you can actually move the arrow, the yellow arrow or the crosshair that you can see in the image, and then you can virtually interactively see different slices of your stack, and you can actually kind of pinpoint whatever you are trying to see in this way, and then based on that you can go and reslice your images. I think from the stack point of view, these are the very basic options that you will find in the stack. In the next tutorial, I will talk about making montage and also how we can use the Z project or some tools that is available under the stack, which are pretty impressive with this very lightweight software, but they are also very useful for everybody. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thanks.